Do you want to grow fruit and veg but you have limited space? Well, square foot gardening could be the answer to all your prayers. So if you want to know about square foot gardening, please carry on and watch the rest of this video. So welcome to Forkin Allotment. Today I'm going to be talking about square foot gardening. I'm in a little bit of a different surrounding today. I'm in the house instead of in the shed. So a bit of background is Mel Bartholomew. He was a backyard gardener, a retired engineer and efficiency expert. He invented square foot gardening, or SFG, as a better way to grow vegetables in a smaller garden. In 1981 he turned his findings into a book which became rather popular. So the basic concept is simple. Build a raised bed, divide it into 1 foot squares, and finally plant your veg or flowers and just the amount of space that they need. The advantages of this system include reduced workload, less weeding, or easier weeding, and easy access. Most of all, the best thing about this is the ability to grow a larger amount of vegetables in a shorter space. So you can grow vegetables in even the smallest of gardens. Bartholomew suggests a mixture of 1/3 peat moss or coconut coir, because I know that peat moss, some people don't like to use peat moss. 1/3 compost and 1/3 vermiculite. But you can use compost and a mixture of manure and compost. It depends on what you want to do, whether you want to do it the Bartholomew way or you can just do it your own way. The vermiculite is kind of important if you want help with the drainage and the aeration of the soil, but it's not doesn't have to be included. So most people make a wooden grid to section off the squares and make it look neater and help with spacing. So here's an example of some amounts of vegetables or flowers that could be planted in a 1 foot square. So mine's 2 peas, you can do 12 in a square. Tomatoes, 1 in a square. Leeks, 16. Dwarf French beans, 4. Perpetual spinach and herb plants and lettuce, 4. Carrots, 16. Mini cabbages, 4. Marigolds, 4. Beetroot, 16. Spring onions, 16. And nasturtiums, 4. It's always best to plant taller plants on the north side of the bed and then progressively smaller plants in the remaining squares. Plants such as lettuces and cabbages and mini sweet corn can be sown in pots prior to planting out. There's no need to use mini or patio varieties of plants, although you may be better off with some of the mini cabbages such as F1 Portovoy, which works well 4 per square. So that is basically an introduction to square foot gardening. I will add a list of plants and what amounts of plants can be placed in each square in the description. So if you'd like to know any more about square foot gardening, please do let me know and I will continue this video, or I will do another video, shall I say. But other than that, thank you for joining me. Please do like, comment and subscribe, and please remember to stay safe and stay warm. Thank you, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.